during this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to open a non-native file directly into Excel. So sometimes you may be trying to open a file that wasn't done in Excel, and Excel is attempting to convert it so that you can use it. So let me show you what that may look like if you were to attempt something of that sort. I've got a blank document here. On the Data tab, in the Get External Data group, you could click from Text, and we're going to import our data export practice file. So I'm going to find it on my desktop where I've saved this particular file. So here's our data export practice. And in the step 1 of the text import wizard, you'll notice here's kind of a preview of what this looks like right now. And this is Excel's best guess for the moment on how the data should be organized. So under Choose the file type that best describes your data, choose Delimited. So it wants us to go ahead and select Choose Delimited, which we have selected. And then you see this box here where it says My Data Has Headers. You could checkbox that. So now, because right now it shows that row 1 would have this information: product, customer, quarter, etc. So we're going to choose Next. And in step 2, it says uncheck the tab and notice what your information looks like in the preview, and then check the tab again. So right now here is the tab is checked, and we see that it is nicely organized. If we uncheck the tab, you see how it kind of squishes it all together and makes it not very readable. So we'll click Tab again. And so you can see, if you use the scroll tab, exactly what the data looks like. And we are going to click Next again. And then we're going to click Finish. In the Import Data dialog box, we're going to set it to an existing worksheet, and we're going to click OK. And so now it has imported the information and its best guess with our headers that we had thought we were going to use here, and the information below that. And so then from here you can make it easier to read by modifying some of the text, if you want to make the headers bold, etc. And it says here that some of the data it could not make sense of in C through F. Some, the type is general, and some of it is currency. I'm trying to look it over myself. of what it was supposed to have done. And so to me it actually looked okay, but from our notes here it says to highlight this all. And what we'll end up doing is we are going to change it to currency. So we will actually go to the home tab. It says the number group. So the number group. And so instead of from general, we'll change it to all currency and make sure that it's all consistent. Okay. And so that really wraps up, being able to import a file that wasn't originally done in Excel and how to get it to convert.